Semiconductors power everything from AI to clean energy to national defense.
Oregon itself has been involved in semiconductors probably at least 50 plus years.
And the promise of FAST is to provide an accelerant of fuel to support new programs to really scale.
It allows all of these organizations and businesses to come together.
We have pulled together these sectors to really think deeply about how we can meet the talent needs.
It's really valuable to get the opportunity to work with and around industry because it helps us look at what an industry actually is and how it actually runs and what our place in it might be.
I think there's a lot of opportunity for jobs, a lot of opportunity for creating spaces that don't currently exist.
Universities bring cutting-edge research, and industry brings real-world problems like how to make AI integration into manufacturing more efficient.
We've got 40-ish faculty members who work on semiconductors. We've got electrical engineers, we've got material scientists, chemists.
I run my research group, like an industrial research group, where the students help each other and work towards larger goals. Specifically in Oregon, I've most recently been working with Lam Research on some really exciting projects.
Most people don't realize that we have 15% of the US semiconductor workforce here in the state of Oregon, and the lion's share of that is focused on research and development.
Oregon has everything needed to support growth in the semiconductor industry. It has the manufacturing capacity, it has the supplier density of the Silicon Forest, it has research universities and shared facilities.
It has another 150 to 200 semiconductor companies in the region as well that play a role in that ecosystem. It's incredibly well positioned to take that next step.
And we're all so committed to ensure that the semiconductor industry here in Oregon and in the Pacific Northwest succeeds spectacularly.